Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture in Python programming language. The topic that we are going to discuss is files and exceptions. Mastering data interaction in Python. This presentation explores core concepts for data persistence and robust application development. These skills are essential for 90% of data driven applications. Python's built-in capabilities simplify complex operations significantly. Why files and exceptions are crucial. Data persistence: store and retrieve data beyond script execution. This enables stateful applications for long-term operations. Examples include configuration files, user data files, and large datasets. Robust error handling prevent crashes and provide graceful recovery. Unhandled errors cause 70% of software bugs. This ensures application stability and a better user experience. Basic file operations: reading and writing text files. The open function establishes connection to a file. Open mydata.txt mode include read mode, write, overwrite, append, and create. Read and write primary methods for content manipulation. Use content is equal to file object.read for reading. Use file object.write new line for writing. The close function releases file resources. This is crucial to prevent data corruption. Always remember to call file object close in order to close the object for free space. Advanced file reading techniques. Efficient line. Read line reads one line at a time. It is useful for processing large files memory efficiently. Read lines reads all lines into a list. Pythonic iteration: iterating over a file object is the most Pythonic way. For line in file object, print line.strip. This is efficient for very large files, processing one at a time. Writing files and the format operator. The write line method, the strings of a file. New lines are not added automatically. Example: lines equal to line 1 new line 2 new line followed by file object dot write lines. Format operator strings. We use this in readable output. This is preferred for clarity and performance in Python 3.6 version. Example: file object write, automatic resource allocation with open SF file colon context manager guarantees file closure. This reduces file corruption risk by 80%. Finally, block executes always. It ensures crucial cleanup operations. This block runs regardless of exceptions. Error prevention, the try except block catches runtime errors. It prevents program crashes. Dynamic input command line argument. SS module provides access to system specific parameters. You must use import sys. Sys.argv list stores command line arguments. Sys.ragv is the script name. Sys.argv1 contains actual parameters. Use cases specific input output files. Python script.py data.csv pass configuration parameters. WebOS enables script flexibility without code modification. Conclusion: best practices for file and exception handling. Use with statements always use for file operations to ensure automatic closing. Implement try except for robust error handling like file not found error. Validate arguments. Check for command line arguments. Explore path library for object oriented path manipulation. Today we have covered files and exceptions. Let's practice and let us have another topic in another video lecture. Thank you all.